First, click on Map Editor. This will open your farm map superimposed over satellite imagery. Here you can see paddocks in light green, forests in dark green, yards in red, and buildings in blue. To select a feature, either click on it directly on the map, or click its name in the right-hand tab. Once selected, you have the option to rename or delete it in the top menu. You can also adjust the boundaries of a polygon by clicking on it and dragging one of the white dots into its new position. To create a new feature, click the Add button in the top left and select the feature you would like to create. Click the boundaries of this feature to draw its polygon. Once you are finished drawing, simply click on the first point again to complete it. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your feature. Once you've given the feature a name, it'll appear on the right-hand tab. Its area will be automatically calculated. When you are finished editing your map, press Save Changes to exit. For any questions, feel free to contact us either on our website www.moregrass.ie or using our support line